To me, it looks like cryptocurrencies are taking over the world, and I think that's quite a good thing, and I like a bit of disruption, but it can still be quite intimidating, scary to access, directly invest into the crypto marketplace. And there are other methods and ways of accessing indirectly the same exposure as you'd get to the cryptocurrency world, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways how to do exactly that. Hello, I'm Stephen Hode, trader and founder of The Stock Hunter. Now, method one is really all about correlation and understanding how the cryptocurrency and blockchain world works. Now, underneath the Bitcoins and Ethereums of the world, there's a huge market industry of corporations, businesses, all involved in this world, and obviously they are highly correlated to the success or failure of the cryptocurrency, coins, tokens, whatever. So instead of directly investing into the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, why not look at some stocks that are interacting or heavily involved in that market, which will mean that you can go long, buy, or go short and sell them if you think that that area is doing badly, which is extremely difficult to do in the cryptocurrency world anyway. You've got the added security of investing in stocks which are regulated on an exchange, and you can get exposure to their world, and that is sometimes easier to manage than directly in the cryptocurrency world. So I'm going to show you some charts just to show you what I mean by that relationship between the price of cryptocurrencies and the price of stocks. Now, this really is an interesting chart that I've thrown together here in the package I use. And I've used line chart because it makes it easier to see. Now, the dark blue line across the chart is the price of Bitcoin, and under that you can see some other color lines. They are US stocks that are involved heavily in the crypto world, like Marathon, Riot Blockchain, Hive, for example. I've got about 10 that I watch regularly that I'll show you in a minute. But the big takeaway from this chart is notice how the stock prices track very closely, i.e. correlated to the movement of Bitcoin. So you could trade, buy, sell these and still have that same movement exposure as you would to Bitcoin. So with that in mind, what are the 10 stocks that I watch mostly in the crypto space? And they're not just directly correlated, they're ones that can benefit from the success or failure of the cryptocurrency space. So here is a quick snapshot of my Webull stock trading account, and as you can see I've got a watch list set up. So let's zoom in on that and then just go through the 10 stocks that I follow in the crypto space. In no particular order, I've got stocks like Coinbase, which are an exchange, so and they are highly correlated to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the success of those two coins are heavily related to the success of Coinbase. Or you've got more particular specific blockchain type stocks like Riot or Hive, or you've even got the chip makers that get involved with all that processing and mining power like Nvidia and AMD, and you've got other companies like PayPal that are heavily invested into the cryptocurrency arena. And we've also got their Marathon Digital, Silvergate and MicroStrategy. So that's the 10 that I look at the most in cryptocurrencies when I'm trading in this arena, and I go both long and short those because I trade the stocks rather than the assets. So when Bitcoin is on the tumble, I can take advantage by trading through those stocks. So that's all there is really to method one. It's quite simple and straightforward. You're just taking a step back from the crypto blockchain world and looking for stocks that are the bullish or bearish for that sector, and you take advantage of the movement through those, and like I've highlighted, there are many advantages to doing so. So let's now go on to our second method. So the second method is sort of a derivative of the first, and it's broken into two parts. First is, especially if you're outside of the US, to do with CFDs and spread bets. Now they in turn have their own special features like tax advantages, greater leverage, but you can actually trade all those stocks that I've mentioned on those type of platforms. And this has again many advantages for the user, and flexibility and access to that space. So if you can't directly trade those US stocks from your country, then why not consider CFDs and spread betting? And the second part of this is, if you actually want the price exposure to Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ripple, those type of coins, then again, why not consider using CFDs? The leverage advantages, it's normally two for one in a retail trading world. It allows you to go long and short, so you can buy and sell, so you can take advantage of dips in the market. So there's a big bonus there. So method two, quite simple really. A derivative of one is exposure to the stocks and cryptocurrencies directly through using CFDs and spread bets. And I'll have to show you a quick look at a CFD spread bet broker and their offering. So here's a quick look at my City Index spread betting CFD account that I use over here in the UK. Now this is all around our second method, and it's going to give us the exposure directly to Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and the stocks that we might want to trade as well. So if you take a quick look, you can see the cryptocurrency offering here. Bitcoin in various currencies, Bitcoin Cash, a crypto index that follows 10 cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple are the selection there. But if you wanted to trade the stocks that we looked at in the first section for my shortlist, watch list, we could type in, for example, Mara up the top, and we've got Marathon Digital, so we can trade that if we wanted to, or maybe Nvidia, the chip maker tech company. There it is there. So there's another route into trading cryptocurrencies and the stocks, and that's the second method, using CFDs and spread bets. So I hope you found this video useful and helpful, and why don't you let me know in the comments below if you trade cryptocurrencies or any of those stocks, or do you have any other stocks you think are great to trade around the cryptocurrency and blockchain complex. So if you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe button to receive any further notifications of future content that I will produce. So that all that is left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.